Hello friends, today I'll show you how you can create a database with 3 tables and how you can connect that to Power BI. Let's start. So first we create the database. Create database sales. Run that. Okay. And we say use sales and we say go. Okay. We run that. We see that it's sales now. Perfect. Now create table and we name the first table sales, open parentheses, and we say first will be the primary key, sales ID, and that will be an integer, so that is not null. And then we say primary key, then we choose sales, maybe person name, and we say varchar 255 maybe characters. Okay, then we say sales location and we put again varchar 255. Okay, and we close the parentheses and we put at the end the sign, the right sign. Okay, then this is the first table. We execute that, everything is perfect. We copy that and we create another 2, but here this time we do with a small difference because we want to make so we have the primary keys, but we want to create relationships between those, and so we need to add the foreign keys. So the next table, I will name it maybe product. Okay, then I will say I'll define the primary key, so product ID. Then the next one will be product name. You can put whatever you want, it's really up to you how you want to name the columns. And we say then product city. We want to see the city of the product, and here we take out the sign and the parentheses, we put comma to keep going, and we say here foreign key, and the foreign key will be, and I left it intentionally out, we put this from here, sale ID, which is primary key in this table, we'll put it as foreign key in the second table. So we say integer and that's it, so like just a standard, and we say here foreign key and we say sales ID, and we say to what we will reference this foreign key. So we say references, and we say the table sales, and after that in parentheses we say the column sales ID. Okay, close, sign, and let's run that. I forgot to add something. Now this is perfect. Okay, and now what we do, we just copy this, we go to the other one, we do the same, comma, and then we put the product ID, which is the primary key in the table product, in the table sales, in the table in this table here, which will be supplier, and here will be supplier ID. Okay, and after that will be supplier city, and here will be description, and then the product ID will be integer as foreign key. Okay, and that will reference, so we put here foreign key, and that will be product ID between parentheses, and we say that this will references what table. So we say the table product. Okay, product, and we say product, the column product ID. We close, and after that the sign, and we run that. Okay, perfect. So now if I'll do a small check there, just to check if I will say select all from system that tables. Okay, so select all from system. Okay, we should see 3 tables. Perfect, we have everything. Okay, now what you do, you go to file, connect to Object Explorer, you have here the server name, you copy that, You go in Power BI, you go to, you open new file in Power BI. Okay, so now get data, SQL, obviously, and we'll show you their SQL server. Connect. You copy the server name, and here you name the database, so that will be sales, and you say direct query. Okay, you see all the tables. Okay, obviously they are empty, because in the next tutorial I'll show you how you can put data into it. Okay, we see creating a connection. Okay, we have everything. We see the tables in here. Let's see if we can see the columns. We can see the columns, and we can see, and let's see the diagram now. Is that connected? It's connected perfectly. Sales, product, and supplier.